Hi class, welcome to week 4. This is instructor Fran, and I just wanted to preview a little bit of what's coming up for this week. Last week we watched some videos related to mindset. This week we are going to read 2 articles. One is a bit of a criticism, I would say, of the idea of pushing grit on students, and so I'll be interested to hear what you think of that. And then the second article is by Carol Dweck, who was one of the speakers in the video about mindset, the first video I think it probably was that you watched. And she is more clarifying some ideas that she brought up earlier. So hopefully you find those interesting, some clarifications and some criticisms of these ideas of mindset that we reviewed last week. We are also going to, just a reminder that make sure you read those 2 articles by Thursday, respond to the initial discussion questions by Thursday, and reply to 2 students or any of my posts by Sunday of this week. And then after that, we have a body paragraph video. So the video hopefully help you with ideas for writing solid body paragraphs. Just consulting my notes here. And then we are going to work on our second grammar point for the class, which is run-on sentences, another very common mistake that I see in people's writing. And so hopefully that video quiz, oh sorry, it's not a video quiz, there's notes and there is a quiz on those notes. So hopefully that helps you be able to identify what is a run-on sentence and what is a complete sentence. And then the final thing we're going to do is we're going to write a thesis and outline for our second essay. Now, in order to be able to do that, there's a couple things you have to do. One, you have to read the directions for essay 2, which should be linked. I'll double check that they're linked in the directions for the outline. And then you also need to make sure that you've read all the articles and watched all the videos on mindset, because you are going to be writing a paper related to those materials from week 3 and week 4. So make sure you read those assignment directions carefully for the thesis and outline. Make sure you read the directions for essay 2 carefully so you know what you're aiming for. Make sure you've read those articles and watched those videos so that you know the content that you're going to be writing about. So basically I'm having you write that thesis and outline as a first step to writing that second essay, and I just want to see if you're on the right track, and I'll be able to give you some feedback to make sure that we're all in a good place to start writing that essay. So I'll review that next week before you have to start writing your essay for the following week. So yeah, so please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, because I'm always here to help, and thanks so much.